Hello students, this is the next lecture of your chapter 2. Now we were discussing about the table creation in table design view. In design view we create structure of the table. Structure of the table means type of heading, type of data that in a particular heading we are going to store, description. And now I was telling you about some properties, general properties related to a particular field or particular heading. So here till caption I explained you in the last lecture. Now what is the default value? Default value is used to specify a value that is automatically entered in the field when a new record is added. Means automatically this value will appear in the box or in the cell. The next option is the validation rule. What is the validation rule? Validation rule is used to limit the values that can be entered in a field. Means if you want to set limitation on a particular heading, that which type of data and in which limitation you want to enter the data in particular heading, this can be set through the validation rule. Next one is the validation text. Validation text property is used for generating the error message that appears when we enter a wrong value in a field in which we have applied the validation rule. Means we can say that if we are entering any wrong value in which we have applied the validation rule, then what should be the error messages will be there. Then we can set this one through the validation text. Next one is the required. This property is used to specify or if a value is compulsory in a field, that is the field cannot be empty. Required means you must enter the value in a field, you can't leave it blank. Next one allows zero length. This property works for only a few data types. Few data types means like text or integer, short, like this. So if we select yes this field, then the value can be left blank. In required, value must be entered by you, and in the allow zero length, you can left a field as a blank. So all these were the properties of a particular heading. So you can set and you can create the validation rules and text whatever you want. After doing this one, now I'm going to close the window or table design view. Click here. It will ask to you that do you want to save the changes? Yes. So I am going to keep the name of the table, salary details, or only salary. Okay. It will ask to you that do you want to create the primary key. In primary key I will discuss about this one in the next lecture. So no, just now you will do it no. Now see, this table has come. Firstly open the first table that you have created. So we have taken here two IDs, 101 and 102. Open the salary one, and same ID we will maintain here also. So 101 and salary is 50,000, and 102, sorry, one zero two 45,000. Any value you can enter. Now and to save the data you can close the screen by pressing Ctrl plus W, press it and open it again. You will see the data.